Welcome to Spirit of Japan. In this series, we'll showcase the fascinating industries found all over Japan and the people behind them. We'll explore the unique skills that regions are using to connect with the world. This fish jelly product is a familiar food called kamaboko in Japan. Eaten as is with a bit of wasabi soy sauce on New Year's and special occasions, as well as day to day. They're said to have over 800 years of history and have had numerous manufacturers all over Japan. Today, we'll learn about this simple product made from minced whitefish and a company that has gone from a local shop to a worldwide producer.
We're at a supermarket in the United States. Although meat is the preferred diet in this country, we found this Japanese product. Kanikama, or imitation crab sticks. It was first produced 40 years ago in Japan and has become popular all over the world, especially among health-conscious people. More than 20 countries worldwide now produce them. A Japanese company that makes Kanikama manufacturing machines played a key role in spreading its popularity. It's Yanagiya, a food machinery manufacturer with 150 employees. It holds roughly 70% of the world's share in Kanikama manufacturing machines. What brought the company this far is its strong wish to create delicious products and its constant eagerness to try something new. In this episode of Spirit of Japan, we look at how this company develops its food manufacturing machineries and is going global with their business. Ube City is located on the coast of the Seto Inland Sea. The food machinery manufacturer Yanagiya is based here. The company is best known for its Kanikama manufacturing machines. 90% of Kanikama manufacturers in Japan use Yanagiya machinery. Surimi, or fish paste, the basic ingredient of Kanikama, is steamed in the machine and processed into a thin sheet about 1 millimeter thick. The sheet is then rolled into a thin rod shape. Once they are cut into their actual size, they are wrapped in film and colored, and finally, steamed again. This machine was made for a food company in Taiwan. The president of the company came to inspect the trial operation.
If I frozen it to minus 10 degrees,
Yes.
is it can be used in the machine?
Yeah, of course. A little bit.
The basic ingredients and shape of Kanikama differ depending on the country or region and the company. Yanagiya customizes each machine accordingly.
If the angle is very sharp.
The company's machines support the world's Kanikama production. They are being used in 19 countries across 5 continents and account for 70% of the world's share. And in each country or region, companies manufacture Kanikama products that fit the needs of their consumers. In France, for example, they come in the shape of a roll, or in slices to put in sandwiches, or in bite sizes for appetizers, or even in the shape of fish. Kanikama is now a worldwide product, and it is Yanagiya's machinery that is supporting its expansion. Yanagiya was first established in 1916 as a fish cake shop. The Seto Inland Sea fish cakes were popular and the shop flourished, But there was also a problem. The process of kneading the ingredients was done manually and was extremely exhausting for the workers. To solve this problem, founder Motosuke Yanagiya invented a mixer grinder machine. Soon, fish cake shops across the country were ordering these machines, and the company became a machine manufacturer. Yanagiya was determined to faithfully reproduce the arduous movements of manual labor. This kind of persistence was to become its basic principle in subsequent years. Yanagiya started selling its Kanikama manufacturing machine in 1979, and with its inventiveness, gained the world's top share.
美味しいものを作る機械屋でありたいっていうのは、そういうふうに思いますね。機械屋だから機械だけ売ってやるのはお客だから知らねえよっていうんじゃなくて、一緒になって美味しいものを作る機械屋さんでありたいっていうのはいつも思いますね。
Kanikama used to be shaped like this, but now look, very realistic. For 35 years, Yanagiya has made tireless efforts to make them look and taste as close to real crab meat as possible. How did they succeed in making it so realistic? First, with a revolving blade, thin cuts are made into the fish paste sheet. This creates the Kanikama's fine texture. Then, by simultaneously rolling two sheets diagonally into a rod shape, the fibers become even more complexly intertwined. Lycopene from tomatoes is used to color the Kanikama. It is smeared onto a film, which is then wrapped around the product. This creates the ideal unevenness of color. Compared to an early version, the fibers of the Kanikama made with the latest machines intertwine diagonally, making it even closer to real crab. Seiji Tsushima has been developing Kanikama manufacturing machines for 30 years. One of his ideas was to cut the Kanikama diagonally.
美味しいんですよ。ね。普通のこうまっすぐのスティックよりも僕は美味しい。ね。だから僕はまずかったらね、もうギブアップしたからないですよ。自分で食べてね。やっぱうまいんですよ。だからうまいものは何としてでもね、完成したいっていう、やっぱそれありましたですね。
Tsushima developed a device that cuts the fish paste diagonally.
僕今でも覚えてますよ。ああ今日終わっただけどうまいことでかんなと思ってこう天井見たらね、木目がね斜めに見えたんですよ。斜めの繊維の製品作ってるからね、是が非でも何とかしたいって。それは何でかって言ったら消費者の人は絶対美味しいと思ってくれるとね、そういう思いがあるからやるんですよね。
At Yanagiya, even the president goes around selling their products. He spends 1/3 of the year visiting clients across the country.
こんにちは。お世話になります。ご無沙汰しております。
どうもどうも。よろしくお願いします。
On this day, he visits a food company in Kobe with which his family has had a relationship for 3 generations. The company is a top brand of fish cakes in the Kansai region, and one of its flagship products is Kanikama made with Yanagiya's machine. President Yanagiya also takes a look in the production plant.
多かったのはあれかもしれないな、能力的に。 うちょっと大きいやつが1台2台あってもいいかも。
もっと大きいやつあるんですか？
まだありますよ。これが360、250ですよね。
The president says that visiting each client's production plant is very important to see if the staff are having any problems or if machinery is working properly. Yanagiya is shown this company's newly developed product.
あ、これですか。ほぼホタテっちゃら。
そうです。
面白い。よくできてますね。今までいろいろホタテあったけど、ここまでしっかりした感じないんですよね。ないでしょ。へえ。今までのホタテの中で一番かもしれませんね。
でしょ？うん。こうほぐれ方が。
日本のこうホタテの中では。
すごく売れてます。
本物っぽい。すごい。ここまでいいと思わなかった。実を言うと正直な話、こんな風になってるとは思わなかったですね。次考えましょうか。また何か新しいの
一緒に考えましょう。
また全然違うねもので、ほぼハマグリとかさね、そういうのもできないことはないかなと。ここまでいっちゃうと、ああいうねお客さんが工夫して出した商品を食べた時にって思うのがもうすごい。またこうねやる気にっていうか、またあれを超えるようなもののアイデアを持っていきたいなと思いますよね。
Yanagiya has come up with its own approach to sharing information on each client. CCCS, or Q Card for Customer Satisfaction.
柳屋はほとんどの製品が一品作り、受注生産で一品作りです。お客さんの気持ち、どういうふうにしてこの機械を欲しいと思われたか、そういうことをみんなが知って、作ろうというものです。
営業からの注意点として2倍にも注意してくださいとのことです。よろしくお願いします。お客さんからの声っていうのは全くこちら届かないので、やっぱ営業からこのお客さんからこういう、希望があるよみたいな詳しいことが、書面として回ってくると手配に気をつけようと一層しっかりと確認できますね。
ちょっとこれ一回抜いてみよ
う。When developing each machine, they make sure to reflect their clients' needs.
高さええかやな。はい、いいですね。大丈夫。はい。よし。
This machine is used to peel the thick skin off oranges automatically.
で横ね向いて、はい、2番向いて、はい、で掴んで、はい、から下げるよ。はい。はい。OK。
They received this order from a local food company which was peeling everything by hand. It has been a year since they started developing the machine.
もう少し向きたいという話があったけ、その辺はこのシリンダーの方のストローク変えて、やればこうやって掴んでいけるから、多分こういう形で、いけるやろうな。OK。はい。初めはこういった形で2分割してもうそのままざっくり向けないかとかですね、考えたんだけど、であとは今度6分割でやったらどうかとか。いろいろな形でやったけど、やっぱり効率的に考えると4分割の方が時間的には短縮ができる。作業者の方がもうかなり高齢化になられたということで、そういった形で、作業される方がだんだん年ごとに減ってくる。
At the factory, various types of machinery are brought in and out each day to be assembled or shipped out. A local fish cake manufacturer ordered this machine, a fish cake steamer. The plan was devised by the design team, and the necessary parts were procured from partnering companies across the country. The top of the production line is used to let the fish cake sit, and the bottom is used as a steamer. After being tested here, it is disassembled again to be installed at the client's production plant. Thousands of parts are needed to build this one machine. Once assembled at the client's production plant, final adjustments are made. To make sure it works properly and that the client is satisfied with the machine, Yanagiya's design staff holds thorough discussions with the workers who will be operating it. The adjustments took 2 weeks. Yanagiya responds to all sorts of demands. This is an automatic tofu manufacturing machine. This machine beats, cooks, and rolls eggs. And this machine dries seaweed to be used for rice balls sold at convenience stores. Their machines are not limited to food production. They are also developing a Kanikama packing machine. Yanagiya received this order from a Kanikama manufacturing company in Thailand. After 6 months of planning, they are finally building the machine. They want to pack 2 layers of 8 Kanikama sticks in a single motion, but it's not working. They have been working late into the night this entire week. Tsutsui, who has been at the company for 6 years, is in charge of the design. Right now, packing at the Thai manufacturer is being done manually. The Kanikama are stacked into 2 layers and packed into a bag that is just the right size. It is the first time Yanagiya is making such a machine. They made many trial parts and spent numerous months preparing, but placing the Kanikama into the bag proved to be quite a challenge. Their attempts are not successful. Veteran Fujimoto reminds Tsutsui that what's important is to customize the machine according to its aim. They are getting closer to their goal. There are many things that can only be overcome through teamwork.
This機会今回初めてだったんで、だからまあ我々もやっぱりよく教えてあげないと次に活かせないでしょうから、やっぱ技術の継承というかね、その辺はずっと下の人に教えていかないといけないので、はい。
それではどうぞ。
Yanagiya is always proactive in trying new things and is always looking for new ideas to realize.
Oh, very nice. Welcome.
On this day, a trade show featuring bakery and confectionery companies was being held. Although Yanagiya is famous for its Kanikama manufacturing machines, it is not known in this industry. Today, they have brought a machine that can be used for making bread or sweets. The induction heating fryer does not use fire, so emits little CO2. It has been the subject of talk within the industry. Yanagiya has been developing this machine since about 5 years ago, hoping to make it one of their leading products. Another cutting-edge technology that they have been focusing on is light heating. It heats the pan evenly, so products such as pancakes will be colored evenly. Manufacturers from Japan and from abroad showed interest.
它这个的话，一般都是很短的时间的，大约就是2-3天就可以。小さいのもあるんですけど、まあこうやって作らないと。コンビニね、50店舗で供給するから。
Yanagiya believes that encounters and relationships with people are the basis for any creation.
困った時にね、相手のところにまず相談しようかなっていうふうに言われる、あそこがないと困るよねって言われる企業になりたいですね。
This machine was developed for a company in Spain. Can you tell what is being made with this machine? These are baby eels, a food resembling snigs. Like Kanikama, they are made of fish paste. They are extremely popular in Spain and are a commonly served dish.
日本人はうなぎの生魚しか食べませんけど、スペインでは稚魚しか食べないそうで、その稚魚が全然だんだん取れなくなってきて高騰しているっていう現状があるようです。高級だしめったに出回ってないそうなので、本物を食べたことないっていう人が多いみたいですね。
After 35 years of developing Kanikama manufacturing machines, Yanagiya's next challenge is an ebikama, or imitation shrimp manufacturing machine. A detailed mold is made by scanning the shape of a real shrimp. The ingredients are then poured into the mold and cooked. Firmness and elasticity will be key. Yanagiya is developing a machine with the goal of making ebikama that look and taste as realistic as possible. The color will also be an important factor to consider.
真ん中ですよね。真ん中の噴射についてはさらにちょっと距離を取った方がいいのかどうか。はい。その方がコントラストが出ている。 はい。
Will Ebikama be the next Kanikama?
カニは本物を超えてると思うんですよね、今のリアルカニカマっていうのは。ですからエビも今度は本物を超えようというように。
Yanagiya went from being a small local fish cake shop to a global manufacturing company. A feat achieved by their constant pursuit and boundless effort in making delicious foods.
まあ今まで柳屋はそのカニカマですとか、その番組で紹介したエビカマのような、本物に似せたものを作る技術というものを今までずっと、発展させてこられた会社なんですが、その本物に似せたものを作る技術というものを応用して今人間の、臓器に似せたものを作ろうというプロジェクトを実は進めていらっしゃいます。実際には膵臓に似た臓器を作ってそれを、医師の方が、手術や処置の、練習をするためのキットにしようというプロジェクトを進めていらっしゃいます。食品分野に限らず、そういった医療の世界にも今度、飛び込もうとしていると本当いろいろな可能性を感じるプロジェクトだなと思いました。